All right, guys, this is the front lever tuck. So it is a progression to the full front lever, which is a much more difficult exercise. So this is going to build you up. You can make it as challenging as you need to. So the more you extend your feet out in front, the harder it's going to be. So take that into consideration. Trying to lift the hips up really high. You're going to keep your arms straight. Push your head and chest back behind. And your lower body is going to lift. And see if you can extend the legs out in front. So I'm going to hold these neutral grip bars, but you can do it on a regular pull-up bar. Kicking the feet out on the way down is going to make it a little bit more difficult, but you can just keep them tucked as you come up and down as well. All right, give it a shot.